Today I'll show you how to fix the unable to activate problem on the iPhone XR, so let's get started. First, we'll remove the screws located next to the charging port. Then we'll use a display opening tool to carefully remove the display. Now we'll remove all the screws and the SIM slot from the top of the logic board. Next, we'll take out the logic board and remove the black cover on top of it. Now we'll cut the metal shield on top of the IC using a cutter. This is the PMU IC, which stands for Power Management Unit. Now we need to remove it. Apply a bit of paste and use a hot air gun to flow air over it. Then, once it loosens, carefully lift it off using tweezers. Now apply a little more paste on the IC points and properly solder them using a soldering iron. After that, use soldering wick to clean the solder properly. Now clean it a bit more using some alcohol. Next, apply paste again and carefully align and place the new PMU IC. Now use the hot air gun to flow air and properly attach it. Now we'll reconnect the logic board back to the phone. Then we need to flash the phone's firmware because the PMU IC replacement requires flashing. You need to use iTunes tools on a PC or laptop to flash it. Once the flash is complete, the phone will start working normally. Thank you for watching my videos.